Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anubhuti. I like to talk everything beauty related. So skincare, makeup, hair care, body care. I love sharing my reviews about the products that I use. I have super sensitive skin, so my product reviews are influenced by that factor. And I also like to get use out of makeup collection rather than running out and buying everything new. I have been dipping my toes into project panning in order to get use out of my makeup more efficiently. If that is something you're interested in, please make sure to subscribe to the channel before moving on, and let's jump into this update. So, as you know from the title, today we are going to do Project 10 pen update. It is a rolling project pen when I select 10 products and then assign specific goals to them. It can be usage goal or finishing them up or hitting pen on certain products. So then it's a product specific goal. And once I meet those goals, I roll them out and roll new products in. So at any point of time, I'm working on 10 products. So yes, if you are interested, I will link the playlist down below. You can check out my previous videos on this project pen. And without any further ado, let's talk about the products and the progress I've made. So the first product is a Makeup Revolution blush palette, and then the shade I wanted to focus on is the shade Brownie Nude. The goal is to hit pan on it. To be honest, this is how it looks like. I cracked it when I was depotting it because the packaging broke, and then the goal is to hit pan on it. I use this palette a lot, but since I have depotted it, I just barely use. I have kept it in this Makeup Revolution magnetic palette, but then since I've depotted it, I am not using it as efficiently, and also I have not reached for it at all, not even once in the past month. So then I'm going to put it on top of my makeup desk just to remind me of using this one. But yeah, so goal is not met on this one, but I do definitely want to hit pan on this one before the end of this year. So that's the first product. The second product is L'Oreal Lip and Cheek Palette. It has 8 lip and cheek like creams. So then the goal was to hit pan in every shade. I have already pan on 2 of the shades, so then 6 pans are still there that I have to reach. Honestly, I dipped into probably once for this bright pink shade, and then the thing is, the shades which are left are just not the shades I wear on day-to-day basis. I'm pretty close to hitting pan on this light pink shade, and I think I can achieve it quicker, probably by next update. But for rest of the brighter shades, I think I will tone them down by mixing the new shade in it. But I just still have to figure out what should I do and where should I depot them, because I don't have any empty containers with me at the moment. I did not save any. So I'm just trying to figure out what should I do to mix and report them into something. If you have any suggestions, please leave them down below. I don't have any extra packaging lying around. I do have the travel size pots. Maybe something. If you have any suggestions other than reporting it into the existing empty packaging, then please leave them down in the comment section below. I would love to know that. So, but that's the progress. So yeah, I used one shade out of this palette, and close to hitting pan on one of them. So then yeah, that's it. That's about, so 6 products are still active, and then one, the blush pan, it's still open. So no progress so far, but next comes the good news. So this is also a very old product in my stash. My friend handed down to me because she was not using it. She's not much into makeup. She handed it down to me because she was not using it, and she asked me if I would like to try it and then use it up. And I said, yeah, why not? So this is L'Oreal Base Magique Primer. And it was, when I got this, it was almost full, and the goal was to finish it because it's pretty old, probably 5 years old. but it was fine. It was not smelling weird. So then I decided to use it up. And yes, we have finished it. We have managed to finish it. I'm not a much primer wearing person, so it was really I really had to remind me to use it up. And but that's the beauty of project pans, right? Then that is another way of you to be accountable to use the products which are lying in your stash. So yeah, I'm so happy. I'm so happy this is out of my stash. One more product that is used up. Pretty happy for it. I'm not gonna buy it anymore. I'm not very excited about it. It is one of those like super silicone primer that just, it is really good at pore filling. So this is like pore filling primer, but it is those silicone feeling primers that not every foundation or not every BB or CC cream is fond of this one. So it's like you have to be very selective of what products you want to use with this one. And I also think if I apply my foundation using a brush on top of this, it just sits on top of my skin and it just feels like it. So no, I was not really a fan of it, and that's why it took me longer to use it up, but I'm glad it's out. So yeah, we will be rolling a new product by end of this video, so stay tuned for that, what is gonna be. So next product then was L'Oreal Color Riche lipstick in the shade Eva's Pink. So this is the limited edition lipstick from the Pinks collection from I think more than 4 or 5 years back. So this was the shade Eva's Pink, and then the goal was to finish it up, use it up, and I am pretty sure you see the plastic packaging here. So it's like very little product left. I was expecting that I will be able to use it up by this update, but that's not happened, and I don't blame it. I did not use it much because I did not wear makeup a lot during this past month, so that's why the progress is quite slow. But yeah, again, because very little bit of this is left, and I find it very beautiful as a blush also. But I'm gonna roll it out of the project as soon as I finish the top of the lipstick, and then I will depot it to use it as a blush. But I'm still gonna roll it out of the project, and I'm going to call it empty. But yeah, that's the update on the lipstick. So this will surely be gone by the next update. So that is the update on that product. Now, last product that was active last time that we rolled in was Kiko Milano Candy Split Eye Pencil in shade 01 Pink. And then the goal is to finish it up, and this is how much it's there. So it's quite a lot of product, I would say. It's a beautiful pink shade, but it's not what I'm wearing quite often. But I think it's the shade I don't mind it in my collection, because it is quite unique, and I am not in any hurry to use it up, but I would still like it to be gone before end of this year. That would be really great. So those are all the products that were part of this project last month. And now, because we have used up one product, we get to roll in a new one, and I already have picked up mine. So the next product which I'm going to roll in is Take Home the bronzer in the shade Oliver from the Balm. So this is a kind of a sample size that I got as a gift with purchase, and this is very gorgeous, like neutral bronzer shade. I'm not sure, that lighting is throwing me off, but this is a like neutral leaning bronzer shade, and because we are moving to colder weather, I think that's gonna be perfect match for me even in the winter months. That's like, I really like this bronzer. It's like anti-orange. I love this one. So then the goal is gonna be to hit pan on this bronzer. Hopefully, if I'm able to do it before end of this year, that would be great. So yeah, I think so. But if that doesn't happen, I'm still okay with it. But that's gonna be the goal. So those are all the products. that are part of the rolling project pan. So then there is a blush from Makeup Revolution palette to hit pan on. Then we have to hit pan on 6 of the shades from the lip and cheek palette. Then we have a lipstick that we have to use up, and we have eye pencil that we have to use up, and then we have a bronzer to hit pan on. So we have good enough variety of a lot of cheek products, by the way. Actually, more than half of the products that are cheek products, but I don't mind it. I love cheek products, especially blushes. So then, yeah, those were all the updates, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. There is more Project Pan related content on my channel, so make sure to check that out. I will link a couple of interesting playlists in the description box below. Please check it out. And if you want product reviews or detailed swatches, you can head on to my blog sensitive.com. And that is it for today. Have a good morning, good night, good day, wherever you are. And I'll see you next time. Bye.